Hello, my name is Sean and today I'm going to show you how to change the door hinge on this Bosch dishwasher. Before we start, please make sure you've isolated the appliance from the mains. To gain access to the hinge, we're first going to have to remove the lid, the side panel and the front panel. Now if we open the door, we can see that the lid is held on by two screws at the front. It's also held on by two screws at the rear and it's clipped in here. We have to remove the front two screws. And now if we remove the rear two screws. Now if we open the door, and I can release the clips with a flat screwdriver. See the two clips there, and simply remove the lid. Now the side panel is held on by two screws at the front and one at the back. I just remove these. If we pull the panel out and lift it up. Now the front panel is held on by 6 self-tapping screws, 3 each side. We'll just remove those. Now if we just remove this piece of insulation, you can see the hinge here with the hinge spring. We can simply unclip the spring. Now if I just open the door, you can see the hinge is secured to the door by these two Torx screws. Just take those out. Door up. You can see the hinge there. Also need to remove the hinge from the clip here with a flat screwdriver. Now to refit the hinge, re-clip in place. Line up the screws. Now we can reattach the spring. Now I'm going to replace the front panel. There we go. And that is how you change a door hinge on a Bosch dishwasher. Dishwasher spares and spares for all appliances are available on the Ransom Spares website. Thank you for watching.